In this lesson, I'd like to show you how to run several presentations within a single presentation. I'm going to start with a blank presentation with just one slide inside. Inside of that blank slide, I'm going to create links. Each link will hook up to each one of these individual presentations. This presentation has 7 slides. This presentation just has 1 slide, and this presentation has 9 slides. Something about this presentation, if we take a closer look at it, we can see, if I go to the Slideshow tab, that this presentation has a custom show called Training Brief. It will not show all 9 slides. If I go into Edit, I can see that this guy just has the agenda and the overview, the only 2 slides inside this presentation for this given custom show. And what I'd like to do is come out to Slideshow and then move to Setup Show, and instead of showing all 9 slides, I'd like to come down and run the custom show called Training Brief. So when we start up this training presentation file, it's only going to show those 2 slides from the custom show. I'll go ahead and click OK. Back at my blank presentation, I'm going to come out and just choose a blank layout. And then I'm just going to go ahead and type in some text. Start by coming up to my text box. I'll just click out here. And I'll type in this, that, and the other. I'm flashing out here at the end. I'm in text edit mode. I'm going to press escape once. That puts me in object mode, and I will move out to Home tab. I'm going to bump up the font on this a little bit. And that's fine for our example. This will work. First step, I'm going to come out here and select the word this. I'm going to right click and choose Hyperlink. And I'm going to set this up with a hyperlink. I'm going to come out and link to one of the presentations that I just displayed a moment ago. I could create a link that's just an email address. I could have it create a brand new file, document. I could move to a different place in this presentation. So if I wanted to move from slide 1 to slide 20, I could create a link that would do that. I'm going to find an existing file or a web page. I'll come up here to the top and choose Desktop. Then under Desktop, I have a folder called Links. And here are my files. I will click Sound Investment and then click OK. And now this guy has a link. I'll do the same for the other 2. Right click, choose Hyperlink. Next one will be Store Display. And finally, the last one will be Training Presentation. Let's go ahead and run our slideshow. I'll click on my slideshow button. So here we go. I'm on my slide. I'm going to go ahead and click on the first link. If I get a warning, I'll just say yes. I can turn this warning off. Under File Options, I can do this. Say yes. Fires up the presentation. I'll click through my slides. I think there's 8 of them here. And then when it's finished, it just dumps me back on this slide again. It appears completely seamless. Click on the next link. There's my single slide presentation. Click here. It dumps me back on the first slide. And finally, my custom show. It's only going to show me 2 slides here. 1, 2, and then drops me back.